Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Crypto My God. I'm coming in today to discuss MEMETARDation. Guys, this weekend is just showing us that the meme coin explosion is anything short of smart. Let's just call it dumb as hell. I want to just touch on it. I probably won't go too far into it, but guys, I know a lot of the excitement around the get-rich-quick thesis in crypto is pointing at meme coins right now, but it's really a down-only kind of play. I've seen a lot of people getting burned, and I just want to cover the topic over the weekend of sort of the meme insanity that we've seen. Now, I want to start today with the end of the tale, not the beginning, and this is the wonderful nation of Nicaragua in Central America, for anybody who doesn't know their geography, but I've actually been to Nicaragua. Very pretty place. It's got one of the largest bodies of fresh water in the world with this awesome volcano here, Ometepe, which is a fantastic hike. But of course, we're not here to talk about geography or hikes. I want to touch upon the point that Nicaragua is the latest in a group of events that happened over the weekend, which is nations launching meme coins. And what does it say from the account on x.com from Nicaragua? We are launching Nika to show how something as simple as a meme can unite people and put Nicaragua on the world stage in a unique way. Contract address. And this is crazy too because it is a pump.fun account, so Pump is generating revenue on the back of this. And 200 million Nika tokens will be equally airdropped amongst the first 1,000 wallets below. Just interact. I mean, this is like as scammy as it can get, right? A call to action on interaction of a tweet. Like what? You reply with your address, your wallet address, and they drop you tokens? I mean, it's utterly insane. Now, let's begin a little bit and unpack this. Over the weekend, the Central African Republic came out as the first nation state that said today we are launching CAR, $CAR, an experiment designed to show how something as simple as a meme can unite people, support national development, and put Central African Republic on the world stage in a unique way. Contract. And I want to say this bar has been lowered pretty significantly. We've seen UFC fighters in the recent weeks just post a picture of themselves and a contract address. This is getting as grifty as it can possibly get, and it's just far out to see nations trying to execute on this methodology. Obviously, it worked for President Trump. The Trump coin pumped 2 days before he went into office. So I guess, shoot your shots. I cannot say that this is very bullish for the cryptocurrency industry, especially for anyone who thinks that they might be able to ride this wave on what is inevitably a pump and dump. So just like all the other tokens that we've seen, we can see that the initial release comes out, and this is over a period of, let's look at the timeline, February 25th. So this all occurs on the 25th, and let's just break it down. This is 2:30 p.m. going all the way to breaking by 7 p.m. So by 2:30 p.m., if you had seen the contract address on X, you could have aped in, you could have rode this wave a little bit, but if you weren't out by 7, well, it's just a downward trend. And this is very unfortunate. We're looking at a $60 million market cap. I don't even know why that number is really relevant. Maybe there's some money in this token and there's just so many tokens out in the world with liquidity at 1.6 million. So obviously there's significantly less money in liquidity than there is in the market cap. And what this means is that liquidity is the ability to exit, right? Assets and money moving through the platform. The market cap is just a made up number that said if every token that is in circulation held this value, this is what the market cap would be. Now, obviously, if they dumped $1 million worth, that's pretty much all the liquidity, this would drop to a flat zero. So this is pretty insane. With 32,000 holders, it generated $680,000 in trading fees. So any sort of trading protocol loves this kind of stuff, right? Anybody that's garnering fees. But in a nutshell, this is just a bad way to use and execute your capital. You're going to lose it all. And that moves on a little bit more to Dave Portnoy, the head of Barstool Sports. Famously acted as Davey Day Trader, where he walked his fan base through day trading on the stock market, and also a constant force regarding crypto, not usually for the best. So he got out and started trading some meme coins earlier this week. Somebody comes out with this one called Jail Stool so what happened was Dave was basically experimenting with coins, publicly saying that he was going to purchase coins with the idea that he would sell them eventually. And he started to see them run, right? He noted that anytime he spoke about something, it would pump. And this was with him explicitly saying, look, I am going to exit. I am going to take profit. Y'all do you. It's up to you as an individual investor. But this all leads up to the launch of a token called Jail Stool, which he really gets in and gets behind because he says, hey, I think whoever made this coin is funny and I want to collect it in the memory of you bitches crying like little babies. So this begins this whole trend, and the Jail Stool coin is being pumped through Dave Portnoy's account. And again, we see this very condensed timeline, right? That's tiny pump happening on the 25th at around 11:30, going through the 25th to 7:30 in the morning. So we only have a couple hours of this positive trajectory. And then, of course, we begin our downward momentum. All of these meme coins are exhibiting the same trends. You only have a few hours. This is intraday trading. It's total meme velocity. There's no substance. There's absolutely nothing underneath to provide a floor to these assets. We should assume that they will all go to zero over time. There is no reason for these to get a backing unless something crazy comes out, like a community builds up and they become a powerful meme on the level of Doge. But with about 50,000 coins being minted a day, it's hard to say that that's ever going to happen. I actually saw a tweet recently that said, at this point in time, winning in Pump.Fun is less than in the lottery. So take that for what it's worth. Now, what's really insane is Jailstool comes out and he starts talking about it. And one of the most difficult things in running a crypto token or a project or a company that has a tokenized asset is that you can't really market it for securities reasons. And that becomes tough. So having Dave Portnoy, who is an amazing marketer, maybe one of the best, talking about an asset gets an immediate follow-up from Kraken Exchange. Within the same day, Jailstool is now available for trading on Kraken. I mean, how crazy is this? A US exchange trading a total meme coin that has jail in the premise, right? I mean, this is like a meta coming full circle where the memes are just being recognized as what they are, bullshit memes. And look at what this chart comes off as. I mean, this is a meme coin where you caught it on the first few hours of DEX trading, right? The decentralized exchanges had some opportunity to get in early. But within hours, I mean, this is just a straight down red candle. Like, why even list this as a centralized exchange? You're basically using your user base as an off-ramp, right? The exit liquidity. And this is just a full-blown collapse. So this isn't really a positive trait. I would say that we are beginning to see market exhaustion. What Travis Kling referred to the meme coin trading as financial nihilism, right? This desire to trade off of something with no value, just to think these are worthless. It's a totally nihilistic trait. Maybe this is emblematic, and maybe we will become nihilistic towards the nihilism, right? Thinking that non-value concept, that assets that don't have any backing are going to provide wealth, are going to trade with positive volume. This is just dying. I think we're watching the death of the meme coin. So all of this is pretty interesting. And what I want to say to this is, guys, I know meme coins are hot. I know there's a lot of people telling you to get in early on these things. I think they are pure danger. What I am really keen to see is revenue generating protocols that actually make money in an autonomous way and share it with their participants. It is my hopes that this exhaustion around memes will ignite the fire that brings back the next meta. My thoughts are there's a lot of blue chips creating great revenue. Their tokens have been now fairly priced in the market. A lot of the private round and private holders have exited. So with the exhaustion around baseless memes, maybe we see the revival of useful high utility assets. I'm going to leave you with this video by Dave himself that I think sums it up, which just goes to show how nihilistic and disgusting this market has become, where even given something good, we know that the capital is so short in these pump and dumps that there's really no support to even turn these into something of use, of value.
Bronze. Why? Fucking cunts. You selfish, choose rich, mutant assholes couldn't handle it. Pisses me off. I didn't touch dick. Couldn't handle it. You guys couldn't take it. Ooh, makes me mad. Let the thing roll, you fucking...
Anyway, even he's saying he tried to provide a floor for it using not only his own financial resources. He admitted that with Jailstool, he would not dump this one, right? He was saying, hey, let's use this as a litmus test for something fun, for something organic. And using his outreach, using his pull to onboard more normies. Still, upon a listing, it was a total dump. So you can see why he's exacerbated. And for everyone out there, I know that meme coins can be fun. There is the hopes of hitting the lottery, of getting rich quick, but it's really the proof is in the pudding that everyone loses their money through these things. I'm not going to keep touching on meme coins too much. I want to get into the good elements of the industry, but for now, I hope this is just a reinforcement as to why you should be looking for revenue generating chains, for real products, for real technology that is actually pushing the barrier further. With that being said, I know you're still going to trade, so good luck out there, guys, and stay safe.